Hi, good morning all. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss number range in SAP HR. What is number range, how it been used, how it is called, and what all things are required to work with number range. We're going to show in details in today's video. Number range is work with personal number range. A personal number, an employee number is a age field which is used to uniquely identify an employee in SAP. Personal number can be defined in two ways. The number can be defined two ways, internal and external. Okay. Now I see what is internal and what is external. Internal number assignment here, SAP personal number is automatically assigned by the system as the next available number with the applicable number range. The applicable number range is selected based on the configuration of the feature called number. In SAP, we have few features like today we're going to see feature called number, which is useful to define number range and call the number range whichever we define in number that will be called for hiring an employee. And whenever we hire employee, the strict rule is that we have to keep 8 numbers for hiring an employee is SAP standard. Remaining you can keep how many you want, but 8 is a standard number from SAP. 8 is a standard number from SAP. Now we see external number range. External number assignment here you can assign SAP personal number yourself as long it lies with the applicable number range. The applicable number range is selected based on the configuration of again you see the future scenario even it is external number range. But here you have to put number range all the time. You are like once you hired one employee called 001, next time you have to put 002 because you have chosen external. But if it's internal, when you hire employee 003, next time when you save hiring employee, it takes 4 because it's internally automatically increase by one number. But external, you have to always remember last number and after that you have to give next number in a external range. That is the difference between internal number range and the external number range. Now we will see the IMG path for these intervals. IMG, personal management, a personal administration, basic setting, maintain number range intervals for personal numbers. Yes. And here we see numcar feature. Numcar feature is used to default personal numbers in info type 0000. This is the info type initially we take for hiring an employee in PA40. Whenever enter PA40, it will take by default 0000 as a first info type to hiring an employee where it takes personal number. Yeah. In case it's internal personal number selection, the T code used to configure numcar is PE03. You can directly start a future number with the T code P03 or you can navigate via below IMG. Here personal management, personal administration, basic settings determine default number ranges. Here we have the decision tree, the return value of feature based on the value of selected below fields of the structure. Here numcar we can work with country grouping, company code, personal area, employee group, and employee subgroup. Today we're going to work on company code. Like you take company code XXX. For that, if you select number range called 7, whatever you define number in 7, that would be a personal number for that company code. We'll see in detail after logging into system. After making decision, click on check icon to check whether tree created is error free. Whenever you create a tree in number, it has to be error free. You have to check when you save. If it has an error, it will show it has error. Otherwise, it will be error free. When it's error free, then you have to save it. Not only save, but you have to activate it. Once you activate with your user ID, next time when you log on, it will get activated and started taking those numbers. Okay. Now you see feature how it works on SPRO, personal management, personal administration, basic settings, maintain number range intervals for personal numbers. Then you can see intervals, NR status. Here is for display, here is for change, Yeah, is for ANA status. When you click when you click this middle one intervals, you can create your own intervals. If you click this first intervals, it's to display existing internal number ranges. And when you click on NR status, it will show you the current status of a number range. For example, you can see we have number range ranging from 1 to 9. Okay, where one we have taken 1 to 100, second we have taken 200 to 500, third we have taken 500 to 1000, fourth we have taken 1501 to 2000, like this going on. So now if you want to create a number range, you can create a new number called 10, where you can use after 5000 any number. This is a demo system, we create like this, but in real system they create minimum 8 digit number for hiring an employee. Now assigning number range to number in P03, that will be range taking by default. For example, when you go to number, the Bookers is a company code. When I select company code TTCT and it has got 7, it means what? When you hiring employee for TTCT, it will take number is 7. What is number is 7? Here number is 7, 2001 to 2500. And here NR status, we already hired 26 employees. When you hire next employee, it will take number as 2027. Like this, yeah. Now we will jump onto system and we see lively how it works. Initially, go to SPRO, type reference IMG, then go to personal management, personal administration, basic settings, then maintain number range intervals for personal number. Click here. Here you can see this is for display, this is for exist, create new intervals, and this is for check the status of current number range. So I'll see display here. When I display here, I'll see many numbers over here. You can see from here to here to here. Last is 15. We can create new if you want. Number range 16 by default. Here see enhanced status and external. If you click on this external, you have to enter number from always from your side. If you untick this, this will take automatically. Okay. Now we will see. We'll create one new number range and try to assign it to some of the numbers. Go back. Now you see the intervals. Click on this plus sign. Plus sign. Yeah. Now take 16. Number 16. From number you can take 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1001. Again take 0, 0, 0, 0 to 8500 and just press save. What it does, when you select a number range, number feature with number range called 16, then it will take employee. When you hire employee, it will taking from 8001 to 8500. This is how we define a number range. What is NR status? NR status 0 because we haven't hired any employee over here, and this is not external, these are internal. It means you will get numbers automatically. Now we will see how this number work for you. Now go to T code P03. Okay, here we have a number feature and it will work for info type 0000. Just click on change. Okay, now you are working for which country? Just select your country, then go down, select your country as India. Now you see company codes. Here we have many company codes: LD01, R300, TTMO. For example, I would like to hire employee for LD01. What should I do? I just go here and I have to define a personal area. The company code. In that, I'll define a personal area. What personal area? Personal area is 1717. When company code is LD01 and one personal area is 1717, at that time you have to take info number is equal to 9. Number is equal to 9. So whatever written in 9, it will start taking hiring employee on the basis of ninth number range. Either it may be 001 or 005 or 2001, 5001. In this way, in this way, we can assign a number regions to newly hired employees. Thanks. Thanks for all. Thanks for watching.